Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: tuner, winder, cutters, cloth, and the correct replacement string. First, loosen the tuning peg until the string is slack and then unwind it off the post. Once it's loose, remove the bridge pin or pull the string through the tailpiece, depending on your Revel's bridge style. Make sure to catch any pins so they don't get lost, and wipe the exposed fretboard area briefly before installing the new string. You feed the ball end into the bridge hole and seat it securely. If using a pin, push the pin in while keeping the ball snug against the bridge. Once done, pull the string toward the headstock, leaving about 2-3 inches of slack so you get clean winds around the tuner post. Make sure to thread through the post hole and wind downward so coils stack neatly. Use a winder to speed the process and keep tension even as you approach pitch. You tune the new string up gradually to pitch using an electronic tuner, then make sure to stretch it gently by pulling upward along the string length several times. This helps it settle and reduces detuning. After stretching, retune to final pitch and trim the excess with cutters, leaving about 0.25 5-inch of tail. If you hear buzzing or unstable tuning, check string seating at the bridge and nut, and ensure the tuner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.